Yo, welcome to my channel, and I remain I Ultimate Concepts. Before I start today's class, I want to first of all tell you guys this is my YouTube channel, and I want you to keep watching. I'll be giving you back to back of graphics design, social media tricks, website design, and all kind of updates. Please, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and follow me for more. Now that is all about my YouTube. So on today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to design a landing page. You remember the last class we had, I taught you how to install WordPress, and this is how to install WordPress, and we have WordPress already on this site. But that is really not enough. I want to show you how you can be able to design your own landing page. You may be wondering, what is a landing page? A landing page or a sales page is the final bus stop whenever you run an ad. Okay, let me show you what I mean by a landing page. Let me go to my Facebook. I'm going to check an ad, and I want to show you what landing page means, like practical. So just give me some minute. Let me show you that. Now, okay, this is my Facebook. Let me show you what a landing page means, or a sales page. Now, a landing page is a destination where you take people. Maybe when you run an ad, it's a destination where people go to see more of your details. That is your landing page. Now, any other page that makes the person go to the next, maybe sales page, that will be your sales page. Do you understand? Any other page that the person have to buy a goods or services, that is a sales page. A sales page is a page where somebody buys from you, while a landing page is where somebody see details about whatever you want to sell for the person before the person go to the sales page. Now, this is my Facebook, and I want to show you what a landing page simply means. This is sponsor ads, and this ads is sponsored. I can turn on my ad finder. This is an ad finder. I will show you how you can do that, so you can be able to see some ads on your system. So okay, this is an ad. You can see running Facebook leads, blah blah blah. You can see it's sponsored. Now what we have to do is, when I click on this, now the ability for this page, I'm in Facebook, but it's actually taking me somewhere. Now this place is actually taking me to is known as your landing page. You can see now this landing page is telling me, you can see it's telling me more about the person's business. You can see instant leads, instant distribution, contact your Facebook, blah blah blah, the best CRM for your Facebook lead. Now this landing page will tell me more about what this ad is saying. So this is what we are trying to design, this thing you are seeing here. Now this is a website, do not forget. So what we have to do is to create one. You can see www.preview.com/intro. Don't forget /intro. Now let's go and design ours. The first thing you have to do not forget, this is your WordPress, not your cPanel, and this is the site we are building. You can see there are some things there, we don't need this. So first of all, what we have to do is to click on all page, because we want to wipe away all those things. You can see we don't need this, so I'm going to select it. Once I'm done selecting it, I'm going to click, then move to trash, all of them, then apply. I want to move it once to trash. You see automatically we have deleted the page that is already existing on the site. So we can go back and refresh. Let's refresh and see what happens. Alright, now we have already deleted the page on this site. Now the next thing we have to do is to add a new page, or before we add a new page, we have to actually install some plugins. For us to be able to design this landing page, there are some plugins we have to install. So I'm going to come down to plugins, then click on installed plugins. Now I'm going to activate a plugin. I can click on add new. First of all, let's add new. I'm going to activate this classic editor. You have to install whenever you start, or whenever you want to start building a WordPress site. Make sure you install and activate this classic editor, because this enables you to edit your sites very easily. Yes, so when we are done doing that, the next thing we have to do, we really don't need these plugins. Yes, that's just it, but we can just leave it there. It's not even active, so we can either delete them, just come down here and say delete and apply. Okay, we want to delete these plugins. You see the plugins is out, So what we need to do is to install another plugin. So we are going to come to add new. Now there are some plugins we have to install that you can't find, or you can find here, but it's on a paid version. You have to pay for you to get those plugins, and these plugins has a lot of stuff to do and it's very expensive. But for the fact you are registered on my course, or you have my course, so you have access to these plugins. Now I may know you'll be wondering, what are the names of these plugins? I've already have a way of keeping it for you once you pay for this class. Now the first plugins is Always Legal Pro, and the next plugins is Strive Visual Editor. Now these plugins work hand in hand. These are the two plugins. It works hand in hand because Always Legal Pro is the version of editor, while Strive Visual Editor is like a cracked version that enables Always Legal Pro to work. So what we have to do next is to click on, first of all, install the Always Legal Pro. So I'm going to select and install now. Now when we are done installing this, we are going to activate these plugins. So once you activate these plugins, the plugins is already running. Do not forget, we have to install the other one. So I have to click on add new, then I'm going to click on upload plugins, then choose the plugins I want to install. I'm going to install this Strive Visual Editor, then I'm going to install now. Then once I'm done installing, I'm going to activate. Now you will see how this plugin works. It helps you to just drag and drop on whatever you are doing. Now this second plugins takes at least 2 to 3 minutes for it to install, so you really have to wait. So let's wait for it. All right, we have to actually wait. It's installing now, so it's unpacking. Okay, it's installing. All right, so this is it has finally installed. So what we are going to do, we are going to activate plugins. Now the two plugins are now active. Always Legal Pro, this is it, is active. So Classic Editor also is active. So what we have to do next, you can see our dashboard have just changed. Strive Builder and Strive Dashboard and Always Legal Pro. So what we have to do next is, once you are done activating all of this, you just have to go up and click on page. So once we click on page, we are going to add new page. You click on add new page. So you see, once you click on add new page, this is what we are going to add. Now we are going to add a redirectory. For instance, gifts.shop/sales or /landing or /info. You see, anything, or we can just use what these people use, /intro. You can see. So what we are going to do is to design our intro page. For instance, I'm using that as a reference, so I'm going to say intro. You see, once I click on intro, what I have to do next is to come down here, and templates, I can either make it black or default. You leave it on default template, then you have to publish. You see, the moment you publish this page, look at the permanent link. You can see this permanent link, https:/gift apple. You can see these are the permanent link. So if I click on this permanent link, what happens is, let me cancel this, let me open it in a new directory. So now https/ you see, gifted apple /intro. So whenever somebody enters into this, is taking the person into this page. Now don't forget, this is the page you'll be using for giving out for sales. Now we want to design this page. Now what we have to do is to come down and click on edit with Strive Content Builder. So you click on edit with Strive Content Builder.